What you figure? 49. Well, did you know that McDonald was a really bad speller? The word is cow. Cow. C-O-W.
Are you done?
E-I-E-I-O.
Is it not funny anymore?
Geico. 15 minutes could save you.